Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Product. Today we are talking about the best slushie machine that makes frozen drinks simple, fun, and perfectly chilled every time. If you enjoy refreshing slushies at home or during small gatherings, this machine could be a great addition to your kitchen. Let's take a closer look at what it offers. Let's get started. The Haoyunma Slushie Machine is designed with convenience and precision in mind. It keeps the process simple so anyone can use it without confusion. You start by selecting your desired program on the control panel. The machine then automatically adjusts to the default or optimal temperature for the beverage you choose. This means you do not have to guess or manually adjust settings. It handles the cooling process for you. Once your drink reaches the right temperature, the Haoyunma Slushie Machine lets you know with an audible beep. At the same time, the LED display shows the word "End." This clear signal tells you that your slushie is ready to serve. There is no need to keep checking or wondering if it is done. Serving is just as easy. You simply place your cup under the handle and release the slushie directly into it. The flow feels smooth and controlled, making the whole experience clean and enjoyable. It gives you that classic slushie machine feel right at home. Cleaning and maintenance are also thoughtfully designed. To remove the vessel and condensation catch, you lift the bail handle to unlock it. When removing the vessel, you just tip it slightly downward to avoid spills. The auger slides off the evaporator easily, and you can wipe the surface down with a sanitized or warm damp cloth. This simple cleaning process saves time and keeps the machine ready for the next batch. Filling the Haoyunma Slushie Machine is very straightforward. You open the vessel cover, pour in your chosen liquid, and power the unit using the touch control panel. From fruity drinks to frozen cocktails, the machine works to deliver consistent texture and temperature without extra effort. The overall design looks modern and user-friendly. The LED display is clear, the controls are simple to understand, and the structure feels sturdy. It is built to provide reliable performance while staying easy to manage. In short, the Haoyunma Slushie Machine combines automatic temperature control, a clear LED notification system, easy dispensing, simple filling, and hassle-free cleaning. It brings a smooth and enjoyable frozen drink experience into your home. Cool drinks made easy. Check the price link in the description to learn more about the Haoyunma Slushie Machine. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more exciting product highlights. See you in the next video.